Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the second method of random access protocol, which is a slotted ALOHA. So, slotted ALOHA was invented to improve the efficiency of pure ALOHA, as the chances of collision in pure ALOHA are very high. As we have seen in our previous video that pure ALOHA has a very chances of collision because anyone can start communication at any time, so it may happen that multiple stations start communication simultaneously, so the collision is created, so the chances of collision is very high. So to improve the efficiency of pure ALOHA, the next method invented is a slotted ALOHA. In a slotted ALOHA, the time of shared channel is divided into these cigarette intervals called slots. So in the pure ALOHA, we have one common channel and anyone can start communication at any time on that channel. But in the slotted ALOHA, the time channel is divided into the fixed size slot, and the duration of that time slot is a transmission time. So suppose this is a time channel T. So here in this slotted ALOHA, we are dividing that channel into these multiple slots. Yes, and now only one can start communication at the starting point of that slot, and the size of the slot is a transmission time, like the time to send one message. So that is the slot size. And suppose there are 5 stations in the channel, so suppose station 1 starts communication from these slots, and in this slotted ALOHA, there is one rule that only any station can start from the slot start point. No one can start from this intermediate time interval. So anyone can start from the start point only. So in this only one can. So suppose station 1 start communicating or start delivering message. So in this slot, no one can start sending the message. So that is the advantages of slotted ALOHA. But it is it is possible that multiple stations, suppose station 1 and 4 simultaneously start from this point, so the collision is occur in this. So a message of 1 and 4 is collided in this slot. So it is something like that. Suppose I tell you that my lecture is on at the time slot 1, 2, 3. So there are suppose 15 students. So I settle that the student who join at 1 p.m. can only listen, but after 1:05 or 1:15 or at 2:59, no one can listen the lecture. So one student can only listen. But it is possible that at the sharp 1 p.m. From 5 students join at sharp 1 p.m. so that 5 students can simultaneously listen the lecture. So the collision between these 5 students is occur. So that is one disadvantage of slotted ALOHA. So the station can send frame only at the beginning of the slots, and only one frame is sent in each slot. So after the transmission first message is completed, then this second slot is started, and at this point only the communication is started. In between we can't start communication. In slotted ALOHA, if any station is not able to place the frame onto the channel at the beginning of the slot, it misses the time slot, and then the station has to wait until the beginning of the next slot. Suppose at this point the station 3 wants to start communication, but it misses this time slot. So suppose you want to start delivering message at this point, so we can't because only at the starting point we are delivering the message, so he has to wait till the next time slot starts. So this is the figure, and in this figure there are 4 stations, and these are the time slots 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now station 1 start sending the packet at the first time slot, so no one can send the frame in this time slots. After ending of this time slots, there are 2 stations 2 and 3 start delivering message at the same time, so the collision is occurred. In here station 1 and 4 start simultaneously, so here collision is also occur. So this is how the collision is occur, but it reduce the collision than the pure ALOHA method. So let's talk about the efficiency. So in the efficiency of pure ALOHA is g into e raised to minus 2g, and in the slotted ALOHA the efficiency is g into e raised to minus g. Yes, so it is so the efficiency of pure ALOHA, so efficiency of slotted ALOHA is higher than the pure ALOHA. So as in the graph you can see that this is the graph of pure ALOHA and this is the slotted ALOHA. So graph efficiency of graph is higher than the pure ALOHA. As seen in this figure, both graphs have the same shape. If g is small, so if S is increased, g is a number of nodes in the channel. So if number of nodes is small, then it is obvious that efficiency of the algorithm is increased, because suppose in this there are 4 stations, but if there is only 2 stations, then the collision is less, so the efficiency increase. As g increases, as the number of node increases, the efficiency is decreased because more collision is occur. So as g continues to increase as approach to 0, which means that if more frames are generated, there will be more collision and the success rate will be fall to 0. Similarly, for pure ALOHA, the maximum occurs at 0.5. In the pure ALOHA, the maximum efficiency at when the there is only 2 nodes in the communication channel, and so the efficiency is 1 by 2e, which means that the rate of successful transmission is approximately 18.4%. While in the slotted ALOHA, when the efficiency is maximum and there is only a 1 node is start communication in the channel, there is only a 1 node, so no collision is occurred. So at that time the maximum efficiency is there. So when g equals to 1, the efficiency is maximum. So in other words, the rate of successful transmission approximately S equals to 1 by E is equals to 0.368, and so if we calculating the percentage, so it is 37%, while in the pure ALOHA it is 18.4, so it is almost double. So the efficiency of slotted ALOHA is double than the pure ALOHA, because less collision is occur than the pure ALOHA. Here are some advantages and disadvantages. So in the advantages, a single active node can continuously transmit at full rate of channel. Slotted ALOHA is also highly decentralized because each node detects collisions independently in device when to retransmit. And slotted ALOHA is also an extremely simple protocol. And the disadvantages are when there are multiple active nodes, certain functions, certain fractions of slots will have collisions and will therefore be wasted. Ideal slots, because it is possible that no one can start communicating at starting of the slot, so at that time the ideal slot is wasted. Nodes may able to detect collision in less than time to transmit the packets and clock synchronization. So these are the disadvantages of the slotted ALOHA. So that is all about the slotted ALOHA and the difference between pure ALOHA and slotted ALOHA. Thank you so much for listening.